add this to the alcohol, to the car.
Let me have two regular ones. The regular ones. Yes. That one right there. To the right. Two of them, yes. You have oils down. How much are the oils? How much is this? Okay. How much are the oils that you have here? They're $5 for the 1/3. Now, how do you know what sells? Like, how do you know which ones people like? They get it and they smell it. Well, how do you know what people like, though, when you have it in your store? How do you know what they like? Yes. Either one. They're both fragrances. Either one. Okay. The blue caps, that's what they like, you're saying? No, these oils right here with the pink and the blue, how do you know what sells? Like, how do you know which one?
The people and they smell it. And there were some people they ask for, what they want,
Yeah. So you really don't know? You don't? Okay. Hi. I didn't want to say and start any kind of video when I was in front of the store, because I wanted to go in there just to show you an example of flat out how people really just don't know. How you just don't know what sells. And with him, you can't go by him, I'm sorry to say, but sorry, not sorry, because it's just a little item in his store. He's not selling oil fragrances as a business, it's just in the business. So, like he said, what he was saying, if you didn't hear him, he was saying that, when people come in, they try different things and he sees what they like and then they buy from there. But you see his stand was full. I'm not trying to be funny, but his stand was full. Nobody bought anything. I didn't see anything missing unless they just refilled it. It doesn't matter. In my previous video, if you click the link at the bottom, it tells you exactly what I came out with to prompt this question. Thank you so much for asking. I didn't do it in detail, so accept my apology. But I did mention the fragrances to start off with. And what I was saying, actually, in 2022, here's a new day, new questions. And by the way, I get feedback and then I fulfill them with answering questions on the video. So I thank you. How to know what sells in detail. Offer universal smells, stuff that people already are familiar with. And it could be your cotton candy. It could be your pink sugar. That's what I mentioned in the other video. Or it could be flowers. If you're dealing with ladies, you could kind of assume, and that's true. Go by what you like to smell and offer that. Or just a universal smell. I'll just tell you right out, offer a musk, because most people don't even know about oils unless they are thinking of a musk. Because perfume and colognes, you really don't hear that much musk smells. Don't beat me up. They probably have musk smells in perfumes and colognes. But when you think of musk, you think of an oil. You think of a thickness, a drop on your face. Something might stain your clothes. You think of that with oil. So always offering a musk. It could be African musk, Egyptian musk, 24K musk, China musk. What other musk? Bangladesh musk, which is a dark black color. Something like that, And that might be a little bit extreme if you're new. But if you throw that in there and a person that knows what they know, that knows best, they'll love it and get on it. So you want to offer something sweet, something fresh, something woodsy, and then something like that you like as a designer. It doesn't have to be anybody's name. I have a 5 for 35. You could click the link. We could talk about the fragrances that you want to offer, or I'll just send you what I think that you need to offer. I mean, honestly. So go buy one fragrance you like. If you're a man, go buy a banging fragrance you like, carry that. If you're a woman, a banging fragrances that you like, you carry that. And then the rest, let them be universal. Let it be like playful stuff, you know what I mean? And then people will tell you. I started my business at my job, and I started wearing my oil fragrances there. That's what made me even think of a fragrance as far as exchange of anything. And women at my job would say, oh, what do you have on? Did you get that at Macy's? Did you? No, it's an oil fragrance. Oh, do they have that in Mirage? Do they have that in what other, Patti LaBelle, they were naming different things in perfume and cologne, but I was getting it in the oil, and they were able to burn it. They were able to make it last longer. They loved it, but they were only hip to it because I was saying it at work. You know, it's not something commercially that you hear on TV. It's like, how do I know if you like my necklace? How do you know if I like my exchange? I got silver and gold on today. How do I know if people like that? Sometimes you just don't care. You're just going to offer what you want to wear or offer what you think is nice. And those people that you want to grab with your product, they'll come to you. I think they just come to you. So that's how you do it in detail. Selling, how to sell oil fragrances, how to know what sells. Offer the basics. That's what you do, offer the basics. And yeah, basically, I just didn't like, he didn't know what he was saying, he was just trying to get me probably to buy oils. And by the way, I don't shop. I always look at everybody else's fragrances. I do, because you'll catch me. I'll see people wearing fragrances or having like a mall, different things, and I'll always go smell them. And if they're good, they're good. But if they're not, they're not. And those really were not. But it was an example, and he didn't know anything about the products, and that's how to know what sells. Offer the basics, offer what you like, and even if you don't have any oils, the best way is just to ask people, what's the favorite thing you like to smell? And then you start wearing things, and then they'll let you know yay or nay from there. And you let me know if you like this video, if I answered your question, and yeah. How do I know you're going to subscribe to my channel? I don't know, but I can tell you, subscribe to the channel, push the like button, and leave a comment if this video helped you at all.